Curtain, blockbuster appearance. Shanghai Hotel Reshop Plus Expo. Looking forward to seeing you at the exhibition. Curtain. It has been dedicated to promoting the development of the smart curtain. Look back. We showcased our latest technological achievements at exhibitions. Received unanimous praise from industry insiders. Through communication and cooperation with global customers, we continuously enhance our innovation and technology. As an industry-leading manufacturer of smart curtain, our electric curtain motors and smart home systems, it not only enhances the quality of life, but also provides smart curtain solutions to hotels, residential. Every exhibition, we all bring different innovations and surprises to the industry. Now, Curtain, new technologies and products, blockbuster appearance, Shanghai Hotel Reshop Plus Expo. We will show you more smart curtain and smart home, innovative products. Looking forward to seeing you at the exhibition.